In this video, we will see how to configure Oracle Extended Tablespace Monitoring in a BMC TrueSight environment. Now, let's go to the BMC TrueSight Central Monitoring Administration Console. This is the BMC TrueSight Central Monitoring Administration Console. Here, we already have created a policy to monitor the Oracle database instance. Now we will edit this policy to add Oracle Extended Tablespace Monitoring to it. This is the Edit Monitoring Policy screen. Here we already have provided the patrol agent details where this policy will be applied, and also we have configured the Oracle database instance for getting monitored. Now we will click on Add Monitoring Configuration to be able to add Oracle ETSM. In the Add Monitoring Configuration screen, for the monitoring solution, please select Oracle Database. The version is 9.7.10. The monitor profile is Oracle Extended Tablespace Monitoring. In the monitor type, there are three options available: All, ETSM, and ETSM Global Configuration. If you select All in the monitor type, then all the default settings will be applied for the tablespace monitoring. In the monitor type All, the history is set to off. That means the monitoring will happen only by exception. The ETSM application class will collect data for only those tablespaces for which the threshold specified at the ETSM container level is reached. And the monitor type ETSM and ETSM global configuration are the same, except for the ETSM global configuration is applicable for all the instances those are getting monitored in that particular host, and the ETSM is for a specific instance. If you select ETSM and click on Add in the Oracle ETSM configurations options, you can see that it is asking for the Oracle instance name, and from here you can enable the Oracle ETSM history, and in the Oracle ETSM tablespaces size option, you can specify a size for the large tablespaces and a size for the very large tablespaces, so that any tablespace whose size is greater than the size specified for the large tablespace will be monitored in the ETSM large container, and any tablespace whose size is greater than the size specified in the ETSM very large will be monitored in the ETSM very large container. When you are specifying the size for the tablespaces, please make sure that you specify it for both the large and very large tablespaces. And if you would like to exclude some tablespaces from being monitored, you can provide those details in here. The same thing is also available for the ETSM global configuration, except for it will not ask you for the Oracle instance name. Now let's have a look at that. In this video, we are going to use ETSM global configuration. We will select the ETSM history so that the Oracle ETSM will collect and maintain the historic data for all the tablespaces. And we are not going to provide any size in the tablespace size option. And also, we are not going to exclude any tablespaces from being monitored in this video. Now let's click on OK. Okay, now the policy has been created for the ETSM monitoring. Now I will click on Save. Okay, now the policy is updated. Now let's verify the view applicable agents. And we can see that the policy has been applied to the patrol agent host. Now let's go to the TrueSight Operations Management Console. This is the TrueSight Operations Management Console. Now we will click on the device name that we just configured. And here we can see that the extended tablespace monitoring has started, and in ETSM regular you can see all the default tablespaces are getting monitored. In ETSM temp we have the temp tablespace, and in ETSM undo we have the undo tablespace getting monitored. And we don't have anything in the ETSM very large and ETSM large because we didn't specify any size for the ETSM large and very large containers. So in this video, we saw how to configure Oracle Data Guard monitoring in a BMC TrueSight environment. Thank you for watching.